Hi everyone, my name is Anna Lectusis, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Please follow along with the video and with the instructions that provided for the best results. The ingredients you will need will be 1 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of water, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of white sugar. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Cream together the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar. Beat in the eggs, one at a time. Mix in the vanilla. Next, dissolve the baking soda in hot water and mix it together. Add to batter along with a pinch of salt. Mix thoroughly. Next, add your flour to the batter in 3 parts. Once that is well combined, you're going to need to mix in your chocolate chips. Drop by large spoonfuls onto an ungreased pan. Place the cookie sheet into your oven and ask Siri to set a timer for 10 minutes.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 10 minutes.
Take the cookies out when the edges are nicely browned. Let them cool and enjoy with a nice glass of milk and some friends.